How to apply Doordash promo codes. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about applying a promo code in Doordash while purchasing. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then simply navigate to doordash.com, which will take you to the official website of Doordash. And from here, click on sign in or login option. And you can also continue with a Google ID, your Facebook ID, or even with your Apple ID. And if you do not have an account yet, simply switch it to sign up and enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your mobile number, and the password, and click on sign up to successfully create a new account with DoorDash. Alternatively, you can use the email to sign in. Simply go ahead and type in your email, then click on continue to sign in. And on the next page, it will ask you to provide your correct form of your password. Simply do it, and you will be able to successfully sign into your DoorDash account. So get all the way down and locate the promotions options on the bottom. Click on it. You can redeem the promotional codes on the checkout page by entering them into the enter promo code box. So promo codes case are sensitive. So for that, first of all, you have to sign in, add something to your cart, like something you would like to purchase. And before you check out, on the checkout page, you will see the option of enter promo code box where you have to enter the correct form of your promotional codes and simply go ahead and hit on redeem. This way, you can easily redeem your promotional codes on DoorDash. So this was all about it. This is how you can use your promo code on DoorDash. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.